Hello everybody. I'm going to show you today what I did the other day. I was over fixing some fence and I had my high lift jack and I had a 2x4 and I was jacking up this fence and the 2x4 was too long. So I was thinking, do I go home and get a saw, get a hand saw, a skill saw, a bow saw, cut it off 6 inches, or do I just use what I have right here and cut that 2x4? So I decided, let me use what I have right here. So I pulled out my Leatherman. This is an old Leatherman. It's 10 years old. The saw has been used for everything, but I thought, well, I wonder if I can cut through this 2x4 with this Leatherman. So I said, okay, here goes. So I'm going to show you what I did. There you go. Cut that 2x4 off straight in less time than it would take me to go home, get a saw, come back, cut it. The power and freedom of having a Leatherman.